I'm Kameron Spencer. I'm Vice President of Warehouse Operations for Parts Warehouse out of Little Rock, Arkansas. Inventory is the biggest thing for us, and of course that's where Epicor comes into play for us, because all of our ERP WMS system is through Epicor, and that's a real important part for us. It's just like service to our customers, right? Epicor is a service for us, and when we call and we need IT work, or I need an application built for our environment or anywhere in our enterprise, we call Epicor, and they handle it for us. On the day-to-day, the Epicor applications we use are Indigo in the warehouses, and we use that every day. All of my supervisors in my distribution centers, my ops managers, it's in their face every day. My supervisors are on the iPad with applications, just real time, being able to move people around and see where the inventory is, see where the orders are flowing and moving. The biggest thing for us is response. We can call Epicor, go through Epicor, any of our representatives, and in a timely manner, they're on our problem, like our problem is the only thing they have to do today. Time matters, right? Our stores have to be able to find the parts to sell to the customer, and Epicor is a big part of that, cataloging through there. Then that flows to our ERP system and to my distribution centers and flows out to our, like I said, end result is servicing the customer. Epicor has been a partner of Parts Warehouse for over 30 years. We needed better visual of where our inventory is, real-time data, that way we can analyze labor, we can analyze parts, we can analyze purchasing, we can, a lot of avenues, and everything kept taking us back to Epicor's applications. I've been doing distribution for 30 years. I do what I love. But part of that is there's a lot of things that make my job easier, and that's the company I work for. And great family company. Parts Warehouse has, like I said, been around for 103 years, and it's a great company, but also it's the partnerships we have as a company. And Epicor is one of those very integral partnerships that we have that makes my job easy every day.